Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix microphone picking up desktop audio. All right, so let's begin with the video. If your mic is recording sounds coming from your computer, such as videos, music, or game audio, there are several settings you can adjust to stop this from happening. Start by opening the Start menu on your computer. Type in Control Panel and launch it from the search results. Once the window opens, change the View By option to large icons, and then click on Sound. Inside the sound settings, open the Playback tab and locate your active speakers or headphones. After selecting them, click on Properties. Next, move to the Advanced tab and make sure the option called Enable Audio Enhancements is turned off. Once you have unchecked it, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. After that, switch over to the Recording tab where your microphone should appear. Select your microphone, click Properties, and open the Listen tab. Here, confirm that the option called Listen to this device is disabled. Once done, press Apply, and then OK again. If the issue still continues, you can try muting specific desktop audio sources. To do this, right-click the volume icon on your taskbar and choose Open Volume Mixer. Scroll down to the Apps section, where you will see all programs currently producing sound. If your microphone seems to be picking up audio from a certain application, simply click the mute button beside that app and test whether the problem has been fixed. If the problem is only happening in a particular app like Discord, there are additional settings you can adjust there as well. Open Discord and click on User Settings in the lower left corner. Scroll down and select Voice and Video. In the Voice section, open the Input Device drop-down menu and make sure your correct microphone is selected. Then, go to the Output Device setting and choose your speakers or headphones. Continue scrolling down until you find Input Sensitivity and ensure it is enabled. After that, locate Noise Suppression and set it to Standard. Further down the page, open this drop-down menu and you will see an option called Bypass System Audio Input Processing. Make sure this setting is turned on. Once all of these steps have been completed, your microphone should stop picking up unwanted desktop audio, and your voice input should sound much cleaner during recordings, calls, or streams. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix microphone picking up desktop audio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.